Behind me is the cooling tower that will service the Tampa International Airport's water and air conditioning system. So it's a superstructure. All the walls are 16 inches thick, all done with the ULMA Megalite formwork system. I've used many different formwork systems throughout my career, and the ULMA system that I've used was definitely user-friendly. For a time crunch schedule that we have on this, we needed to be efficient and quick, and this system definitely was extremely efficient for us, especially for stripping. Working with the ULMA team has been really helpful. They cut down my labor almost in half by using this MK20 circular formwork system that they have brought out already pre-assembled, so it'll make us a lot more efficient. We really liked using it, and I plan to use it again in the very near future, hopefully my very next project.